Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Happy Friday, Friday the 13th, March 13th, 2020. And for a lot of people, it was finally a happy day because Dow Jones went up almost 2,000 points. The reason, I guess, why the market is going up is because, in my opinion, it actually got tired of going down. Okay, it's not like we found some kind of cure for coronavirus, or we found some kind of vaccine or any other kind of solution for the problem. What we did was, and I'm talking about America, we basically threw more money into the problem. President Trump, I think, did the right thing, and he declared a national emergency over coronavirus pandemic. So, by the way, the difference between epidemic and pandemic is pandemic is epidemic across many continents or countries. So it's epidemic that basically is everywhere. What this means for our fight with coronavirus is that now we would be able to release a lot more funds to combat this problem. Basically, there's like some very substantial funds way beyond the $9 billion that was allocated just last week for coronavirus. Now this count could go into probably tens of billions of dollars. And the reason it's important is that, as I said, a lot of people in America are afraid to go to a doctor and get tested because so far this thing was not free. So I even read somewhere that the test for virus was like almost $3,000 plus the doctor's visit plus this and that. So a lot of people who are poor or kind of stingy, maybe, I don't know, maybe they don't value their health as much, and probably do not value health of other people, they probably refuse to go to a doctor and spend money on something that maybe they might or might not have. So under the national emergency plan, the government will make all these tests free, and it will release these funds to create more tests and distribute them across private clinics. So anybody who has symptoms of coronavirus could go and test for the disease. However, you have to be prepared for next week for some major slides in Dow Jones. And the reason is very simple. So far, America has probably 1,000 people who tested positive for coronavirus, and I think we have 30 people that are dead. But imagine that the coronavirus testing now is free. It's free to go to a doctor, it's free to test because the government is paying it from the national emergency funds. And suddenly we discover that we don't have 1,000 infected people, we have tens of thousands. I mean, I even read somewhere in Ohio, some woman said that she is I guess some official, but she said that we probably have 100,000 infected people. So I think throwing money into this problem is a good thing, but also this is opening a Pandora box where suddenly you will discover that, oh my God, this thing is huge. And I think this is what they suspect. Otherwise, they probably wouldn't declare a national emergency over 1,000 infected people. I mean, that's like peanuts compared to, you know, all other diseases that we have. So, and once the new numbers start to come in terms of how many infected people we got, the market will feel the jitters, and you know, these people will require, I guess, treatments, isolations. I'm not sure if American hospitals are equipped to you know, handle so many isolations or so many people to be treated. And you also have to remember, coronavirus has incubation period, which means that maybe 1-2 weeks from now, a bunch of people will get sick. I mean, they will see the actual symptoms, they will start dying, and God forbid somebody famous dies. You know, that will show people that this thing is so strong that even if you're rich and you have a lot of money, there's still not enough defense for you to combat this thing, and none of your money will help you to actually, you know, cure yourself. So, which means that the market will be on edge. And I would say that my recommendation to you guys is to buy put options. Put options allow you to kind of freeze the price of the stock that you have right now at the current level, and you basically pay, you know, a small premium for this insurance. But if we experience something like we experienced today, like this week, when we had 2 drops of 2,000 points each, and a lot of people probably suffered huge paper losses. This type of puts will give you enough protection and kind of peace of mind to tolerate this type of fluctuations or drops. And I would say that, you know, we will know how bad the problem is very soon. You know, people will start to get tested, treatments will start to come in, and the hospitals will start to work a lot harder. So the way how puts work, if you just buy it for 1-2 weeks out, buy yourself some inexpensive protection for the next 1 or 2 weeks, and you know, then you might renew it again and again. But this is one way to ensure that you will be okay with this market, especially after this 2,000 point jump. If you want to find out which stocks to buy, which stocks will benefit from the national emergency situation in America was declared, please go to the website 2stx.com. It will take you directly to the Apple App Store, where you could download, install, and run my app on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV, and it covers 5,500 stocks with daily buy and sell recommendations. Thank you for your time. Stay healthy, stay away from coronavirus, and good luck trading.